This is Math Lesson 3.5, Doubles plus 1 and Doubles minus 1. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can use what I know about doubles to find other sums. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a stack of 5 cubes and a stack of another 5 cubes. I know what the double 5 plus 5 is. I know that 5 plus 5 is 10. But I know that our answer is going to be 11. So, in order to get to 11, I'm going to have to add one more cube. So now, instead of 5 cubes and 5 cubes, I really have 5 cubes and 6 cubes. So I used what I knew about doubles. 5 plus 5 is 10, and one more is 11. So let's try this. I have a stack of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this time our answer is 9. So I know once again that if I have 2 stacks of 5, that's a double. So 2 stacks of 5 would be 10. But I know my answer is 9, and I know that 9 is 1 less than 10. So I'm going to take away 1. So if I were to take away 1 cube, and if I were to take away that 1 cube, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4. I would have 4 cubes. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. So the one where we added a cube is called doubles, because we used 5 plus 5, but we added 1, so it's called doubles plus 1. On this one, where we use doubles, it's called doubles minus 1, because we subtracted 1 from that. All right, we need to figure out what our doubles plus 1 fact is and our doubles minus 1 fact is. So the doubles fact is 2 plus 2. And I know that 2 plus 2 is 4. When I do a doubles plus 1 fact, one of my add-ins stays the same. So it's going to be 2, which would be the double. But then I'm going to add 1. I'm going to add that 1 to my other add-in. So I'm going to add 1 to 2, so 2 becomes 3. So if I know that 2 plus 2 is 4, I'm going to add 1 more to that, 2 plus 3, add 1 more to 4, that becomes 5. So the opposite of that is I'm going to subtract 1 off. Remember, our double, one of our numbers stays the same, plus, now I'm going to subtract 1. So I'm going to have 2 minus 1. I'm going to take 1 away from my other add-in. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this was 2, and we're going to take away 1. And that's how we get our minus. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Let's try this one. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Good job. So now we're going to take one of our add-ins and we're going to add 1 to it. So we're going to keep the first add-in, which is 4, plus, and now we're going to add 1. We're going to say 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have 4 plus 5 equals, now it's just 1 more than 8. 1 more than 8 is 9. All right, so the same thing goes here. We're going to take away 1. So we keep one of our add-ins the same, plus, now our other add-in was 4, but we're going to take away 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So if 4 plus 4 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 1 less than that, which would be 7. Let's try the next one. What's 3 plus 3? It's 6. Good job. Here we go. So one of our add-ins stays the same and our other one is going to change. So we keep one of the 3's plus, now we're going to do doubles plus 1. So we have 3 plus 1. What's 3 plus 1? 4. Good job. Here we go. If 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 4 is 7. Good job. Now we're going to do a doubles minus 1. So we keep our same add-in, 3, plus we're going to do our add-in minus. So our other add-in was 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2. Awesome. If 3 plus 3 equals 6, then 3 plus 2 equals 5. Good job. Last one. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Good job. We keep one of our add-ins, 6, plus the other add-in we're going to add 1 to. So we're going to do 6 plus 1. What's 6 plus 1? 7. If 6 plus 6 equals 12, then 6 plus 7 equals, one more, 13. Good job. Let's do our doubles minus 1. Here we go. We keep our add-in the same, plus, now we're going to do a minus. Our other add-in was 6, and we're going to subtract 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So, if 6 plus 6 is 12, 6 plus 5 is 1 less, which is 11. So on this one, we need to figure out what our double fact is. So we're going to come over here and we're going to look at our add-ins. I have 2 add-ins, and I can choose either one. So I have 7 that I can choose to make a double, or I have 6 that I can choose to make a double. So either one will work, but when I'm looking to see a double, if I choose 7, then I'm going to do a doubles minus 1. So a doubles fact that I can use to help me add 7 plus 6 could be 7 plus 7. Or my other add-in would be 6 plus 6. So those are the 2 doubles facts I can use. So let's look at the next one. I have 2 add-ins. I have a 6 and I have a 5. So what's one of the doubles that I can use to add? If you said 6 plus 6, excellent job. What's the other one that I can use? If you said 5 plus 5, great job. Now, let's go to the last one. Remember, I have 2 add-ins that I can use. I have a 9 and I have an 8. So let's see. What is my first add-in? What is my double? If you said 8 plus 8, awesome job. What would be the other doubles fact I can use? If you said 9 plus 9, great job. Awesome job learning today.